finally doing a video on how to apply strip lashes. First, choose your lashes. Next, measure your lash line. Always remember there's a right and left lash. When snipping, cut from the outer, longer lash. If you're daring, try your lash curler. Personally, I find this easier to use rather than me almost poking my eye out. When applying your lash glue, use enough so that they'll stay on. For an easier application, let the lash glue become tacky. I hold my head back in the mirror so I can see. If you need tweezers, that's fine, but I'm old school, so I'm going to use my fingers. Because it's tacky, you can go ahead and adjust as needed. Nowadays, in 2022, we actually have portable fans. Now just do the same on the other side. You can use your fan if needed. Where'd I get the fan, you ask? I'll put my link in the bio. Thank God for Amazon. Now looky here. Both lashes are applied, and we're going to use the fan again. Last but not least, mascara. You can add your mascara once your lashes are completely dry. This helps blend your lashes with the falsies. I also prefer a water-resistant lash rather than waterproof. And we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.